Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your display name and your username on Twitter. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, let's head on to Twitter. And once you're in Twitter, go to your profile icon at the top left-hand corner of your screen and go to Profile. Now, once you're in your profile, go to Edit Profile right here. Now, this right here is your display name. Now, if you want to change that, just click on that and enter your desired name. And click on Save. Now, if you want to change your username, just head on back. And once again, go to your profile icon at the top left-hand corner and scroll down and go to Settings and Support. And click on Settings and Privacy. Now go to your account right here and click on Account Information. And click on Username. And just like that, you can change your username that you want. So make sure to choose a unique username and choose a username that has not been taken. So I'm just gonna choose this one right here. And as you can see, I have a check mark right here, which means that that username that you choose is free and nobody hasn't used that particular username. Now click on Done. And as you can see, my username is already updated right here. So that's it for this video everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!